And if you could lower your blood pressure in less than 3 minutes, juste assez de temps pour se brosser les dents, sans médicaments, sans appareil, et sans effort? Well, the answer is yes. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I am Dr. Hillman, a preventive health doctor, and in this video, I will reveal 3 scientifically proven techniques to immediately lower your blood pressure. These are the same methods I give to my patients every day. And believe me, they work. But before we see how, we need to understand what blood pressure really is. Your blood pressure is the force exerted by your blood on the walls of your arteries. It is measured with 2 numbers. The first, systolique, is the pressure when your heart contracts. Le deuxième, diastolique, est la pression lorsqu'il se relâche entre 2 battements. En général, c'est le premier numéro qui nous inquiète le plus parce qu'il reflète la pression maximale exercée sur votre système cardiovasculaire. And the 3 techniques I will share with you today specifically target this number, systolic blood pressure. So, let's move on to the first one. You will be surprised. Technique numéro 1, massage de l'oreille. Oui, vous avez entendu correctement. Massaging your ears can lower your blood pressure. It's not magic, it's neurophysiology. This is called auriculotherapy or auricular acupressure. Here's how to do it. Take 2 fingers and gently massage the inner area of your ears, where the auditory canal begins to form. Make small circular movements, light but continuous, for about 90 seconds. You're probably wondering, how could a simple ear massage calm my tension? Well, in reality, you activate the vagus nerve ici, l'un des nerfs les plus puissants de votre corps. It is the great regulator of stress. When it is stimulated, it sends a signal to your brain to say, everything is fine, you can relax. Result, votre fréquence cardiaque ralentit, vos vaisseaux sanguins se dilatent et votre pression artérielle diminue. This is called the transition from the fight or flight state to the rest and digest state. That is, from your sympathetic nervous system to your système nerveux sympathique. Researchers even speak of a neuroanatomical shortcut to relaxation, a way to activate your calming system without meditating, breathing deeply, or taking medication. Just with was Deutsch. A study conducted in China on 120 hypertensive participants showed that this stimulation could lower systolic blood pressure by 5 to 8 millimeters of mercury in less than 2 minutes. And all this with no side effects. So, keep this reflex. A small ear massage, and your body naturally activates its biological brakes. In the following, you will discover an even faster method, a mental technique that acts directly on your blood vessels. And the best part is, it only takes 1 minute. Now, we will move on to an even more powerful method. And yet, it requires no gestures, just votre concentration. This is what we call guided body scanning. And yes, you understood correctly. Your mind can actually lower your blood pressure. You will see how, en moins de 60 secondes, vous pouvez déclencher une réponse physiologique mesurable, une baisse réelle de votre tension artérielle. Many think that tension is only a matter of the heart and arteries. But in reality, your nervous system plays a huge role. When you are stressed, your brain sends signals to your vessels to contract, to your heart to beat faster, and to your entire body to prepare for an attack. It's useful, but not when you are sitting in your living room. So, to calm this mechanism, you need to reprogram your nervous system. Literally tell it, everything is fine, you can relax. And that's exactly what the body scan does. Here's how to practice. Si asseyez-vous confortablement dans une chaise, avec votre dos droit, les pieds plats au sol. Close your eyes, then direct your attention to your feet. Feel the contact points, the ground, the warmth, the weight. Breathe calmly and slowly raise your attention to your calves, the knees, the thighs. Continue your exploration up to your stomach, your chest, your jaw, then your forehead. Imagine a warm wave rising within you at each area where you focus your attention. Each part you observe becomes more relaxed, lighter, calmer. And then, without realizing it, your brain triggers a biological cascade, a decrease in cortisol, a slowdown of the heartbeat, dilation of the arteries. It's tangible. A study conducted at Kyoto University on 73 hypertensive adults showed that a daily 2-minute body scan reduced systolic blood pressure by an average of 7 mm de mercure après seulement 2 semaines. But what you need to remember is consistency. The more you practice, the more your brain learns to automatically switch to a calm mode. And after a few days, you can do a 60-seconde mental mini-scan, même en ligne d'épicerie, pour instantanément calmer votre tension. Remember, votre esprit n'est pas un spectateur de votre corps. It is the conductor. And the more you train to listen to it, the more you learn to direct this inner symphony. And just now, I will reveal my favorite technique, the one that seems counterintuitive, yet it can sustainably reduce your tension if you use it for a few minutes a day. It involves heat, water, and a little secret that science is only beginning to understand. So, ici est la technique que je vous parlais. It seems simple, almost too much, and yet it is one of the most powerful ways to lower your blood pressure sustainably. It is called the warm foot bath. Oui, juste ça. A bit of water, heat, and 10 minutes de votre temps. You might be wondering, but doesn't heat tend to raise blood pressure? That's an excellent question. In reality, it all depends on where you apply this heat. When it is localized, on the feet, legs, or hands, it has the opposite effect. It dilates the peripheral arteries, causes blood to flow back to the extrémités, et soulage la pression dans le cœur et les artères principales. Here's how to do it. Remplissez un bassin ou votre baignoire d'eau très chaude, mais pas bouillante. Plongez vos pieds pendant 10 à 15 minutes. And the best part? This little evening ritual is not just about tension. It also promotes deeper sleep, muscle relaxation, and better circulation. It's a moment for you, a moment when you give your body permission to rest. So tonight, before sleeping, try it. A basin, hot water, a bit of salt, and 10 minutes of calm. You will see, your heart will thank you. But before you go prepare your bath, I want to share an important message with you. Something my patients often forget, and which can make all the difference if you want to stabilize votre tension a long term. Before finishing, there is one essential thing you must remember. These 3 techniques, ear massage, body scan, and warm foot bath, are not magic. They are based on real physiological mechanisms, observed and measured in serious studies. They all act on the same master key, the vagus nerve. This nerve is your direct link between the brain and your heart, between your mind and your tension. By stimulating it regularly, you re-educate your nervous system to return to calm more quickly. And it is this return to calm, repeated every day, that transforms your body. But be careful, these tips are for informational purposes only. They never replace the advice of a healthcare professional. Si vous souffrez d'hypertension chronique, continuez votre suivi médical et parlez-en à votre médecin avant toute modification de traitement. What I invite you to do, however, starting tonight, is to experiment. Choose one of these 3 techniques et pratique-le pendant une semaine. Observe. Note your numbers, your feelings, your level of calm. You will be surprised to see how much your body can regulate itself naturally when you give it a chance. And if you want to go further, I have prepared a free guide for you, the Reset Tension Express, which summarizes all these methods step by step, with clear explanations, precise protocols, and exclusive bonuses to stabilize your tension permanently. You can download it for free on our Next Stage Health website. The link is in the description. Tell me in the comments which technique you want to try first: oreille massage, body scan, or hot foot bath. And if you want to receive more videos like this, simple, proven, and most importantly effective, remember to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss anything. Remember, votre corps a une intelligence incroyable. True health is not fighting against it. It's learning to listen to it. I am Dr. Hillman, and I'll see you very soon on Next Age Health to help you live longer, stronger, and above all, more peacefully.